Good morning, good people. Let's see. Let me share this screen. Don't just be jumping in the market this morning. Yeah, let this stuff play out. So, y'all see what's happening. We about to get a trigger. Let's go. Now, y'all know the levels. Y'all know what y'all need to do this morning. If we get the trigger, all right. All right, let me make an announcement here. Hmm. Here it comes. We're about to get the trigger finally. All right. Let me go back to my chart. I'm sitting trying to type stuff. All right. So y'all know what calls we taking. On Apple. HPE didn't work out. All right. So it was supposed to trigger up here. Didn't do it. So guess what? We ain't worried about it. Still like JPM, but I wish it pushed all the way up here. Let's see what SPY doing. Still inside day, not breaking out or anything. So, but Apple is one of them ones. I just needed to break on out if it's gonna break out. But I always say no trigger, no trade. And y'all go look at Google. Y'all remember that trade from last week? I'm gonna take a glance at it before. Yeah. Guess what we about to hit? What we did hit. The daily ATR. Same level that I had from last week. Crazy. Crazy. Popped out. For those who swung, y'all should be up. Let's go. All right. Oh, let's see what Apple. Yep. There we go. We got our entry. All right. So now in Apple 212.5. I'm getting this week's expiration. You can get August 1st as well if you want to stay even safer. But I'm getting July 25th. So stop loss is down here for now. So I'm not worried at all. And only risk what you can afford to lose that keeps you out of the gambling mentality. A lot of people come in here and just straight gambling. So you got to be patient, trust your setups, and let it work. This is another one I posted, like a day trade. I was just looking at that, but yeah, this was a kind of fire setup. Fell too down on the day, but we over the 618, baby. Yeah, candles been lit up green. Let's see what's trying to populate here. All right, so oh boy, here comes Apple. Candles lit up green. They were gray all through here, so I wasn't touching it. But we on fire now. And for those who want my exact stock chart, hey, it's under tools for success tab. So we were grayed out all through here. Now it's time. It's time to move. So we're gonna let this play out. Nice, clean setup. I had to bring the squeeze out. Had to bring the squeeze out. Ooh, squeeze and fire. Yeah, we should move. I'm just giving myself more levels of confirmation. It's not major. So it's called a short squeeze. For those who don't know. All right. So the shorts, people who are shorting Apple are getting squeezed out of this trade. So I'm pretty confident in this trade I did. Like I said, I'm keeping my stop loss down here for now. Not worried. I may end up moving it up to the bottom of that 4 hour candle though, to get us out early if something crazy would have happened. But as of now, we're good. We're good. Just let it play out. Squeeze fired okay on the 30-minute. So what I really want at this point to give me that last little level of confirmation is I want to break out of that, or that'd be cool. We get that right here, but at 15-minute, we should be good. Because right now, of course, you're gonna get that volatility, little pullbacks and stuff like that. But we got above this level at 213.75. That gives me more confidence. I may add some more possibly, but like I said, it just depends. It's a Monday, so keep that in mind. Market gets a little sticky on Mondays. All right, so letting this play out, letting it do its thing. Loving this Apple setup. Loving this Apple setup. I open up the chat if y'all have any questions out to the right. Oh my, let me go back to yeah, Apple pushing, baby. Man, let's go. Look, hey, we up 20%. We up 20%. Hey, let's go. Y'all know what time it is. You know your boy gonna start y'all off right, man. Welcome to J Smith Trades. Y'all know how we do it. And I appreciate y'all, the ones that's rocking with me. Look, we gonna get to it. I'm gonna try to get y'all the best of the best. Everything I see, everything I see that's explosive and ready to make us some money. Now, keep in mind, we only 10 minutes into the market. So, I ain't getting my hopes up too high. But all I do know is we up 20%. So if you want to take out most of your contracts, you can take it off here. Right. So lock in majority of your profit and then let runners run. I don't know what just happened. Okay, that was my screen. Woo! Apple coming with it this morning. Let's go. Power candles turned up. Setup was there. Man, God is good. That's all I got to say. He is amazing. I'm telling you. Look, squeeze. Oh, man. Come on, man. Come on, man. I'm telling y'all, if y'all got some friends who trade, y'all better tell them about this group. I'm gonna get y'all paid, man. So we working. We working. Man, that squeeze is beautiful. On this 30 minutes. So short squeezing for this long. That was what, since Wednesday of last week? So now what happens after a short squeeze, like it's basically consolidation. So the people who are shorting it, they're getting squeezed out. So a stock has to break out of consolidation, right? So what I noticed on the daily is, let me see, I'm gonna turn this back on. We had a double inside day, right? We had an inside week last week, and it was a certain level I wanted to get over, which I posted in the group, and The rest is history. So, yo, we up 27% just like that. Um, yeah. So anyway, 3-1-1-2 up. So that makes for an explosive move. Plus, like I said, we got the short squeeze here. We got squeezes on the 4 hour, the 2 hour just fired, the consolidation from out of consolidation. The hourly had a short squeeze. I mean, come on, man. There was no way Apple was not breaking out this morning. Telling y'all, I put y'all on game. I done learned some stuff over the years. 30%, baby. We up. Good morning. Good morning. Yo, if y'all got any questions, anything, y'all can like I said, post it in the chat or whatever on the far right. But we up. We up 34%. We not playing. jsmithtrades.com. We not playing over here. Let's get to work. Apple ain't playing, baby. 40%. Let's go. I gave y'all the levels early on the weekend, man. Look, man, come on, man. Come on, man. We working over here. All right, let me look at Google. Still pushing. Come on, man. So those who swung the 185s from last week, woo! Y'all know what's up. Y'all know what's up. We running. We up 30% on those. Yes, sir. 40% on Apple. Yes, sir. We ain't playing no games. Show y'all we ain't playing over here. Show y'all we ain't playing, baby. Let me do this. Telling y'all, man, look, just follow the levels, man. Trust the setups. It's gonna work out for you. It's going to work out for you, people. Every time. Trust your setups. All right. Yeah, I ain't even like really got myself together this morning, like as far as like coffee and stuff like that. I turned my treadmill on. I was just so excited. I knew Apple was about to come with it. Yes, sir. All right, so I'm trying to add something to the. I forgot how to do this stuff, man. Image. There we go. Oh, I could have. No, I could have just dropped it on here. We gone, baby. Look, this is where we was at just a minute ago, but we up higher. We up higher now. We up higher now. For the folks who think we ain't running it up, I had to post that. 60%, baby. Let's go. Let's go. Y'all seeing this live, man. Woo. Let's go. I said, let's go. Oh, man. God is good, man. God is good. Come on, dog. 70%, man. Come on, man. I'm telling you. I'm putting y'all on some. This is years and years of hard work, y'all. We only 16 minutes into the mark. 70%, baby. Let's go. We not playing. I might well take this off. This old news. It's old news, baby. Yes, sir. Let's go. I just got an alert on SLV. I guess that went outside or something. Outside candle. What my guy? Hold up. We still in them swings from oh okay. They ain't do it. It's 24%. But hey, God is good regardless. I'm grateful for whatever. I'm grateful for it all. Every dime. All right. So anyway, back on. That was a nice move. I put y'all on SLV. I think Thursday of last week for those who've been in the group. So we up. We end up buying time because I was trying to buy where the big money was. So the people who put in millions and millions of dollars, like over $10 million into these trade ideas, right? Um, they bought the silver, so SLV $32 calls August 15th. So I just followed them. I know it ain't um 1,000% profit, but yeah, it's a blessing though. It's still something. Gold was on the list. I didn't even get in. Just be real with you, I ain't getting that one. But yeah, man. Hopefully y'all took some profit off the table, and that's how you do it. You take like most of your contracts off. When you up probably like what I really like 20, like I told you this morning, like 20%, 25%. Just take majority of it off because when you leave those runners, they're more so risk free, right? So you're not stressed out in this trade no more. You know what I'm saying? Because most people, boy, they be sizing up and they be stressed because they holding the whole position. You don't have to do that. You do not have to do that. All right, cool. So we're getting a slight pullback here, and that's why you take off contracts. But hey, we still up 30, 34, 36%. So of course they're gonna play with us for a little bit. But hey, when you got runners, you don't care. You good. You locked in profit. Locked in profit, baby. Yeah, I just had to do one of these for y'all. So y'all can see, man, how I be like excited, you know. Um just to ain't even the money aspect. It's like just to know your plan just works out like consistently. That's the level y'all want to get to, man. So y'all be sleeping. I be telling y'all, hey, book them coaching calls. I mean, yeah, a lot of y'all do though. A lot of y'all do, But I like to take people to another level, man, because it's a lot that you don't know. Like one of my favorite sayings, you don't know what you don't know. Like it's a lot y'all don't know. Y'all think y'all know, but y'all don't know it right now. I'm telling you, it's enlightening things that you need to learn in this market, man, so you can make consistent money and become a consistent options trader. Yo, we in a good position. Apple is just getting started. Just getting started. Now I got to get a haircut here in a little bit, so I'm gonna be getting off a little early. But hey, I done made y'all some good money in 20 minutes, people. 20 minutes. We're up 70%. Do you hear me? Just like that. And Apple ain't done. Apple ain't done. No, sir. Now they can play around, they can have a little fun, but we know what's coming. We're gonna end up swinging. More than likely. Apple, as long as the setup stays solid, we swinging this bad boy. We swinging this bad boy. Yes, sir. Let me see. I got comment to a few people. People cashing out, boy. I see y'all in the post your win section. Yes, sir. We getting to it. Yeah, had to come in back to y'all, but hey, we getting to it. Yo, I'm telling y'all, man, y'all better tell your friends to go to jsmithtrades.com. We all got friends who trade options. Look, I'm turning y'all up because look, it's a lot of money to be made for all of us. It's a lot of money to be made for all of us. You hear me? Let's go. Yes, sir. Let's get it. All right, so I'm still looking at Apple here. Told y'all, man. Look, hey, we broke out of the orb. Look, the first orb we had was down here, but that 15-minute candle kept going. So we broke out of the orb, you know, what the first 30 minutes of the market. So you know they gonna do a little slow motion. But I'm talking about I'm seeing a breakout. Whoo! Because we still got a short squeeze. We still got to squeeze the shorts out of Apple, right? Earnings is coming up. Keep that in mind. That's why we're trying to swing early. We're catching the run into earnings, people, as well, in addition to what we already discussed. July 31st, we will not still be in Apple by that date. You know, I normally do short-term swing trades. You know what I'm saying? It's not long swing trades, long-term swing trades. I'm telling you, this is how you do it. Like I told you, I like JPM, but they don't got my power candles, man. It's still a decent setup. See, oh, hold on, it do. I'm tripping. Let me take a look. Oh, because I think a new. Oh, that's what it was. A new 2-week candle opened up. That's why I got the power candles. Now let me think. Let me think on this. If you guys wanted a swing trade, another one, this is it. JPM. So we're over the level that I wanted. 61.8% filled. Great swing. You know, of course, get in the money. Not too further out. Oh, hold on. Don't get in yet. Because I told y'all I love being over that previous month high. All right. I love being over that, honestly. But hey, it's still a good swing trade because we have I just need to push a lot more. So we got a simple setup though with 2 down, 1 2 up reversal. So these are one of my favorite reversals when it just pertains to the strat. One of my favorites. Let's see, then you can have a target right here. All right, so that's a nice 4-point move right there, easy. But like I said, I like to be out of that month, that previous month high. We got to move, all right. But yeah, no, JPM is fire. Don't get me wrong. I do like this setup too. I got my power candles. I just want it to be like solid close. Yeah, it's moving. Told you, I'm gonna put y'all on game, man. I'm put y'all on game. Fire plays. This how we do it, man. Let me see what spy. I know they probably move. Oh yeah, they going crazy because they pulled us back Friday to play games, play mind games, just so they could pop back out. Just so they could pop back out. So yep, this one never triggered, so I'm not really worried about HEE. It did find support. That was a good setup. IONQ, that's coming back. As long as it stay over there 618, that's a good one. Still a good one. Still got some levels to take out. And JPM look good, man. Excuse me. You see, I got the power candles. Got my little power candles. Full time frame continuity. But I try to do like the maximum full time frame continuity on plays. So yeah. So here we go. Had to get y'all play early. Got some power candles on spot. Boy. Look at that. Got the short squeeze. It's over with. It's out of there. Boy, they something else. Boy, they pulled it back just to short squeeze it. So everybody who was shorting it, thinking, oh, Monday, the market gonna crash. Nope, they got cooked. They got cooked on the 30 and the 15. 10 minutes. Oh my God. The short squeezes out the frame. This is, boy, Spy is something else. It's something else. Boy, y'all know I love me some Spy. Because it's a beast. It's a beast. 3-1. Oh, the 4. Oh man, that was picture perfect right there. That was picture perfect, y'all. I ain't gonna be on here too long though. I don't like to stay on here forever, live trading, but just want to show y'all what was possible. Just want to show y'all what was possible. Let me see. All right, where we at? Let me go back to the live streaming. Okay. Yep, 312. 312 up on the 4-hour. Fire. Fire, fire, fire. Hey, like I said, we get them power counters, boy. It's over with. Yes, sir. Yep. And we're gonna let Apple play out, baby. Let them runners play out. Cause with SPY moving too, we good. We good. We good. This is only the beginning. Cause keep in mind, we have a double inside. Let me I gotta keep putting the numbers back on. I like to keep my chart clean as possible, but I just put it back on to show you all. So 2 down, double inside, 2 up. So this is really the next level for the monthly. I do like short term take profit levels so I can just continue to take profit off, but that's really the target, you know what I'm saying, overall. So if you get like a month out on contracts, yeah, this is it. This is the real target here up top. Bam, 225. So, yep, in and out the market, baby. Yeah, you don't got to stay here all day. Uh-oh. I'm probably about to make the next run up. But we'll see. I'm liking, man, spot. Look, I'm gonna tell y'all like this. Boy, when you see short squeezes, man, I'm telling you, y'all can get this exact chart. I'm telling you. But when you see short squeezes like that on multiple time frames, look, check this out. Let me just break this down real quick. On a 5 minute, all right? On a 5 minute, you got a short squeeze. 10 minute, you got a short squeeze. 15, you got a short squeeze. Jesus Christ, 30 minute short squeeze. Like SPY can run probably all day. I love this right here, man. Y'all just don't know. This is how I gotta tell y'all just a little bit of my story real quick. Real quick. This is how back in 2020, with GME, that was the first time, like, and I went small back then, you know what I'm saying? Because I was still learning the squeezes and all that. And GME had a short squeeze on the 15 minute. I had no idea on what was going on with the dude named the Kitty dude or whatever. I didn't know what was going on then. You know what I'm saying? I didn't know about all this stuff and the hedge funds being shorted out of positions, blah blah blah. I just looked at my chart and I'm like, okay, I see what I'm looking for. So I traded. I told a lot of friends about it. Man, I put $200 in that trade. and that went to over $9,000 the next day. And had I held all day that day, that would have been 19 to 20,000, I want to say, dollars off of 200, all due to a short squeeze. It's when people are shorting the stock, shorting the stock, shorting the stock, and then the stock breaks out, then boom, it takes off. Takes off. So that's pretty much what's happening right now with SPY. Right. And it's not, don't get me wrong, it's not only that. You know what I'm saying? It's a little more to it, but that's the main thing. I just love short squeezes, but that's not gonna be on like every one of my charts. You know what I'm saying? Because I really just I look for structure a lot, you know. So like with Apple, it was mainly structure, but when I noticed the short squeezes on, I said, oh, this thing about to go. You know what I'm saying? You just get those other levels of confirmation. That's all. Man. Hey y'all. I don't know if y'all, yeah, I posted this. Told y'all it had a nice little setup. Two down, two up reversal. That thing moving. I didn't trade it. You know, I try not to trade too many stocks because it, you know, knocks me off focus. But this had a solid setup. I never even heard of this. What is BMBL? Okay. So yep, you gotta let old JPM. You gotta break out. See, you gotta break out of that previous month high. Still a good setup. Structure is fire, but I honestly love when like a stock break all the way out, come back, find support, then take off. That's what I like. As far as like swing setups, like Apple, solid swing setup, man. Solid, solid. So honestly, we just getting in position right now. We just getting in position. This ain't the whole move. This is not the whole move, people. But last one I'm gonna review. I'm gonna head on out. Yeah, I get so caught up in this. I guess I got stuff to do. All right. Yeah. Fire. Fire, fire, fire. My God. Short squeezes, baby. Yo, if y'all don't think or swim, I probably add my short squeeze scanner. All right, you can just upload to Thinkorswim. Y'all let me know if y'all want it, you know, and we'll just go from there. But it's a short squeeze scanner that scans for these setups. Let's see. My boy said IONQ. He asked, am I out of it? No, sir. Still up, what, 11% on it, but let me tell you. And that's why I changed the structure in the group as far as the call outs, because you can comment on the trade idea. You know what I'm saying? Instead of y'all commenting in the what's the name in the post your wins, you know. Yeah. Oh, my boy, $400 on the day. Congrats. I see you. Let me see. Okay. So all right. 45, 55, my stop loss level. Woo! T ran it up. Yeah. IONQ still fire. Like, you know what I'm saying? It ain't going nowhere. You just gotta trust your setups, man. Gotta trust your setups. I don't even question it because, like I said, if you take off size, say you go in full size on the trade, you take off 75%, so three fourths of your position. Hey, don't worry. You know what I'm saying? These are just runners at that point. So that's what those big, when you get those big percentages and stuff like that, it should be y'all for runners. You know what I'm saying? It should be off your runners. So so that's why I be chilling. Like, I mean, of course, I ain't gonna say just be foolish and don't have like stop loss levels, but here our stop was actually right here when that candle was made. So now that we're in a swing position, just keep moving it up to the previous day low. Just keep doing that. So we're inside on IO and Q, but this is a new stop loss level. So if it don't come all the way back down here, I will not cut those runners. I don't care. I don't care what type of pullback. I don't care we end the day red. I don't care. But like I said, I'm showing y'all an easy way, but this is a higher level right here where because this was pretty much around our entry. So this is to keep people a little bit more safer. You can you can cut it if it came out right here. But me, because my risk tolerance and I know I have runners on and so on and so forth, man, I'm gonna set this stop on the previous day low. And I ain't gonna worry about it. So say we end an inside candle on YO and Q, then hey, cool. Tomorrow I'll do that. Just move my stop loss level up and keep it simple. That's why I don't stress. I don't stress in the market. I used to. We all, in the beginning, yeah, you stress like crazy. But that's because I didn't know what I was doing. But now, man, got this down to a T. You know, got my edge over the market. You know, and I just keep it simple. Keep it very simple, and I just stay strategic. Yo, T, good job on SPX because Spy had them squeezes. My God. Look at that. I ain't know SPX had. I mean, I know it's like pretty much the same thing. SPX is just like the mother of Spy, but it just had those squeezes, man. So it's gonna give you some. It's gonna give you some serious money. Yeah. So anyway, like I said, I'm not going to be here all day. So yeah, just let the swings play out, right? Don't sit here and you ain't got to look at the screens all day. Like I said, I'm about to go get a haircut. I'm not about to let nothing throw me off my game. So you should have took some good profit early in the morning. Like we're not even an hour into the market, and at this point, you should have runners, right? So that takes the stress off. Your risk should be very low at this point to where if you do get a little pullback or whatever, it's like, okay, cool. I already locked in enough money. Like, I'm not tripping. Like my boy, Pierre, looks like he said he made $400 a day, man, for breakfast. That boy done. You remember the stuff I posted for you all? Like, the $500 a day, that's 6 figures a year, y'all. 6 figures a year. Come on now. Come on now. My boy Pierre said he done. You see what I'm saying? Come on. That boy can easily make 6 figures a year. I mean, I don't know. He probably did graduate. He probably got, from college and stuff like that, got a degree. But you don't need it, man. This is an equal opportunity. That's why a lot of people, when they say they want to give up on trade, man, don't give up on this, man. Where else you gonna do this at? Now, of course, you want to invest, have assets and stuff like that, buy shares, get into the dividend game eventually. But trading options, it gives you that leverage to be able to go to those next levels. You know what I'm saying? Put money in real estate, so on and so forth. But I ain't about to get long winded with y'all. Yeah, I just had to tell y'all what's up. But look, yo, this is gonna be a great day. It's gonna be a great week, y'all. All right. I just want to hop on for a little bit and turn y'all up to start the trade week. So look, good luck to everybody. Let's crush it this week. You know, it's all gonna work out in our favor. You know. All right, y'all. Y'all take care now. I'm gonna get on off here.